Let us now study about the human eye. You already studied about human eye in your early classes that it is the most important sensory organ of our body which senses light and interacts with light in majority of cases of vision. Here you can see there is a typical internal structure of human eye in which there is the eye lens and the rear surface of eye we call retina. This is the screen on which the eye lens produces an image. So whichever light rays are coming onto the eye lens, say from far away or distant object, parallel light rays are coming. So in general, in relaxed state, this lens converges all these light rays onto this retina. And approximately the distance between lens and retina is equal to the focal length of the eye lens. Now in this situation, even when an object is placed close to the eye, it is able to create the image at retina by adjusting the focal length of this lens, because these are ciliary muscles which compresses the eye lens from top and bottom, due to which its curvature changes and its focal length automatically adjusts such that even for a distant close object, image will be produced at the retina, the inverted image. And this is the optic nerve which senses the signals from this retina. The retina consists of two kinds of cells which are called rods and cones. Rod cells are used to detect the intensity of light, and cone cells are used to detect the color of the light by its wavelength. Various kind of cones which are sensitive to different wavelengths are there in retina, which produces a colorful image, and the optic nerve is connected to brain, where we are able to sense the intensity, the brightness and color of the object of which the image is produced on retina. Now the important thing to be understood here is focal length of eye can be adjusted by straining the ciliary muscles. So when object is located at far away distance, we see that eye is relaxed. So at infinity, when object is placed, this is called far point of eye, for which in relaxed state eye is able to produce the image at retina. When object is brought closer, there is a distance which is called least distance of distinct vision, which is denoted by D. This D we call least distance of distinct vision with the strained eye, because as this distance is equal to the focal length of eye, as object gets closer, ciliary muscles compresses the lens and its focal length reduces, due to which the final image is obtained on retina. So in that situation here we can say when D is the closest distance of object for which a clear image is obtained on retina, this is called least distance of distinct vision, or this point is also called the near point of eye, up to which eye is able to produce the image on retina clearly. If an object gets more closer to the eye lens, between the near point and eye lens, in that case the image produced will be blurred, or we can say ciliary muscles cannot get a further stress to strain the lens up to a limit to produce the clear image. So human eye fails to produce a clear image when object gets more closer to the near point of the eye, or it is between near point and lens of the eye. Here you can see that clear image can be obtained whenever the object is placed between near point and anywhere on the far point, where near point is the most strained condition of eye to get the clear image, and far point is the most relaxed state of eye to get the clear image. One more thing all students must keep in mind, that for an adult eye, the value of capital D here, that is the distance of near point from the eye lens, is generally taken as 25 centimeter.